Okay, Mari, what would you like for your birthday?
A bulldog.
A bulldog?
No! Owl here.
What do you want?
What do you want? Okay, show me.
Dog.
A bulldog.
Show.
Where are you going? Come here. Okay, show me which one do you want for your birthday? I want to see. Okay, show me. What is that?
Bell.
A bell.
Yes. I want a dog like my
Dog.
one.
Oh, you want a
Bulldog
dog.
kayo ng bulldog.
You want a bulldog.
Bell dog.
Where you going?
No, bell
What would
dog.
you like?
Bell dog. Can you say bell?
I want a bulldog too. Okay, no, I'll get you. Okay, let's go now. No, I'm sorry. I'm just kidding. I'll get you a bell. I'll get you the biggest dog.
Bell
I
dog.
want like my Ariel dog and my Cinderella dog.
And then
And?
the bell dog.
You only need the bell dog.
Yeah, because I don't have the big one.
You don't have the big one. How big do you want it?
The same big
As the
as
bell?
my Cinderella dog and my Ariel dog.
Oh, you want the same big as your Cinderella and
Ariel.
Ariel.
How big is that?
How big is that?
Oh, sure. Give
Like
me.
this?
Get your Cinderella doll or your.
How big is the bulldog again?
It's not bulldog.
Is that bulldog? I thought it was a bulldog.
Get your Cinderella doll so that Mommy Joy will see it. How big it is.